What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I make videos almost every single day, except the weekends, on my businesses and the ups and downs of business. So if you're an entrepreneur or you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you want to get into the business and you want to see the ins and outs of a business, this is the videos for you. So today's going to be a quick one. I am jetting off to New York tomorrow and I'll be back Monday. I'm going to have a few days off. So I hope that if you guys haven't watched my previous videos, if you're new here, go ahead and watch those. I'm like at 138 videos. So I mean, you'll have plenty of content to watch with the ups and downs, me getting sued, me going through issues, me being, kind of emotionally not there. Like there's a lot of, but then there's like big days, big sales days, positive things. So if you're interested, there'll be videos on my playlist. So in saying this, let's get started. We have customer orders. We'll get those done as quick as possible. And then we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. All right, guys, we absolutely smoked it. We got it done. This is all I have left right now because I have just dropped it off to my mailman, Mick, my boy, my friend. So he got those shipped out. So I don't actually have proof of all the stuff I just shipped out, but you saw me do them. So now that we got that all done, this will be the last video for a while, guys. So like I said, just go back to my last videos, watch them, catch up if you haven't already. But now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $55.64. On Amazon, we made $310.51. And on Shopify, we made $159.32. So a total revenue of $525, which is not bad. We are at a 15K mark at the moment, which is good, but we want to hit 30, but I will be happy with 15 again if that's what we get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and if you enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed the video and you want to support me, please subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day until I hit 30K a month. Like I said, I'm going to New York tomorrow and I will be back Monday. I don't know if I'm going to make a video Monday because I'll be back Monday and I might be tired. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.